Face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pretty Much Aishu. I hope you all are doing good, staying home and staying safe. I know that the lockdown is like almost over, not over, but the places have opened, the shops are open, but that does not mean that you'll just go out hanging around with your friends or family. You don't have to do it. The virus is still out there and you have to be safe. It is so horrifying, but Chuck, I don't want to talk about it because it's really sad to know about all those things, so just leave it. Yeah, so today since morning I was really tempted to do a very colorful look because I have been seeing on my Instagram feed all the colorful makeup tutorials and all the colorful makeup ideas because it's Pride month. Yeah, and I of course support the LGBT community. I mean, why shouldn't we? What's weird, I don't even understand what's there to support. I mean, they are normal human beings like us, but then their life is very tough. We are living a very normal life, but for them, it's a really difficult life because we give them a hard time. They are very beautiful, they are normal human beings, and of course, they have the right to choose their own sexuality. And yeah, that's it. I mean that you must and everybody must support LGBT, and it should get legal all around the world. They are very kind hearted, very loving. So yeah, I was really tempted and I just went on with the colors, and I have made this video truly to show that I support LGBT. I mean, I am of that thought that it's not written anywhere that a girl should love a boy and a boy should love a girl. This is what our society has built in. And now that people are getting more evolved and that the people are getting more independent, they are experimenting and they are knowing their worth, and that they are coming out beautifully and not suffocating under the typical stereotypes. So I feel like we, the straight people, how we love the opposite genders, the same way the LGBTs, they have their different kinds, and it's not weird. This is how the world is, and I mean, I don't understand what is there not to accept. So yeah. And yeah, I also wanted to talk about that my videos are getting really long, like 30 minutes and 25 minutes. I mean, of course, I can do the voiceovers and the video will be like in 6 or 7 minutes and it's done. But then I just do the voiceovers. It's like, okay, mera channel hai and I'm then doing it. But then here, I feel like I'm really chatting with y'all and then I'm interacting with y'all. And it's really nice, I feel. But then let me know in the comment section or maybe in my DM somewhere. I'll put the Instagram handle below in the description. Let me know if you want the really small 7-8 minutes videos, because frankly speaking, I'm really enjoying this, the 20-30 minutes video, whatever it is, but I'm really enjoying. I feel like I'm interacting more with you because I'm receiving really beautiful DMs that you people are really getting connected and you people are really happy the way I am expressing myself. And yeah, that's it. I feel now let's see how I created this look. So yeah, let's continue with the video. Now use the Maybelline concealer, and then with a flattened brush you have to just spread it. You can also use a beauty blender for it. Also use your fingertips. Now I'll use this palette from Colourpop, picking up this shade right here with using this puffy brush to just go in a circular motion. Make sure you go above the crease line. And don't worry about this weird shape. We'll later give it a proper shape with the concealer. I'll now go with this neon shade. I'm using the same brush for my full eye makeup. I don't think that this shade is really popping out, so I'll go with the Morphe palette now. It's the 35M Boss palette. I think I'll add some glitter, so I'll use this shade right here. Spraying some Fix Plus on my brush so that the brush picks up the shade really well. I think going with the fingertip is much more better. Now I'll again build the colors using the same shades and the same brush. Then with the brush similar like this one, we'll just blend the colors. I've taken no shade on the brush. Just trying to blend. Now I shall use the same brush to apply shades on my lower lash line. I'll take the shimmer, the yellow shimmer from the Colourpop palette again and just apply a little. Using this Gigi Hadid Kajal by Maybelline for my lower waterline. Apply a very light line. You have to add just a hint of black color. Now going in with the Lakme liner. Again you have to draw a super thin layer. Now I shall curl my lashes with the lash curler. Using the Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. I shall now be doing my brows. So now I shall first comb my brows. Using the Maybelline Nudes palette for my brows. With the help of an angular brush. Picking up these two shades. Also, if you're wondering why my brows are like so weird, so I'm gonna film a video for how to get perfect brows. So for that I'm growing them. completed my look. I hope that you loved it. I hope that you liked it. It's really simple. You just have to have a really good palette, a really pigmented one, and just go with the brushes. Just play around with any color which you want to, and you know, it's really easy. I feel that doing this makeup was the easiest because you don't have to build a transition shade and all that. You know, you have to just have that one puffy brush and the blending brush and the colors, and then that's it. You have to keep on building it. Yeah, that takes time for sure, I'll tell you, but once it's done, it really looks good. I mean, as you can see, the makeup has turned out to be really well. I hope that you find it easy. I hope that you find it attractive too. And yeah, I loved how my makeup turned out to be today. So I hope that you enjoyed it too and you'll try my tutorial as well. And let me know in the comment section or maybe on my Instagram. Send me DM, send me pictures when you try out the makeup, and let me know how it goes. Also, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the ring bell so that you get notified every time when I drop a video. And I believe that's it. Yeah, so yeah, see you in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.